Hi everyone, welcome back. Ang topic natin for this video ay Cash and Cash Equivalents Part 2. Lagay ko yung link ng Part 1 sa description below. Okay, let's start. Sa Part 1, na-discuss na natin ang overview ng Cash and Cash Equivalents. Heto naman ang ibang examples ng cash. First, cash on hand. Cash na nasa company pa. Demand deposit. Demand. Demanda, as in ikaso, char. Demand deposit, funds that can be withdrawn anytime without advance notice. Example nito are savings account or checking accounts. Petty cash fund, small amount used to pay for minor expenses like candy, charot, like office supplies, taxi fare, meals, etc. Traveler's check, basically, check pero used by people when traveling to foreign countries. Cash and bank payroll account. Ito yung account for payment of salary ng mga employees. Part to ng cash kasi yung salary is current liability. Hindi naman siguro tatagal ng more than 12 months bago bayaran ng company ang mga employees, diba? Cash and bank current account. Para din siyang demand deposit na ino-open pag may high number of regular transactions with a bank. Cash and bank sinking fund. Fund set aside to pay off a debt or a bond. So, nag-allocate na agad yung company. Advance mag-isip para pagdating ng pera ng utang, hindi ganoon kabigat pag maglalabas ng cash. Take note, kasama ang sinking fund sa cash and cash equivalents kapag due within 1 year yung related na debt or bond. Kapag silent, hindi siya part. So, either long-term investment or other investment siya. Undelivered check. Undelivered check, hindi pa na-deliver na check. Kunwari, magbabayad ng utang sana, pero nasa custody pa ng company yung cheque. Hindi pa may encash ni creditor natin, so cash pa din natin siya. So, sa checks, i-discuss natin yung mga scenarios na nangyayari. Ano bang mga general rules sa cheque? Bank checks collected are part of the company's cash, while checks issued will be deducted from its cash account. So, lahat ng na-collect natin, atin. Lahat ng in-issue, hindi na sa atin. Pero, what if ganito ang scenario? The company received a check. Ang date of check is February 14. As of February 1, kunwari Feb 1 natin receive yung check, can we record this as cash na? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi. Kasi hindi pa natin pwede ma-encash yung check as of February 1. Sa Feb 14 pa tayo may right doon. Post-dated check. A check on which the issuer has stated a date later than the current date. Post, meaning after, or may encash mo lang at a later date. For example, ABC Company delivered a check to XYZ Company on December 25, 20XA. The date of the check is March 15, 20XB. Question. As of December 31, who will record the check as cash? Si ABC pa rin, kasi kahit na na-deliver na nung December 25, hindi pa siya pwede ma-encash ni XYZ. So, just in case nag-record sa ABC ng journal entry na debit of accounts payable para i-reverse yung utang and credit of cash para mabawasan yung cash since nag-issue ng cheque, need mag-reversing entry on December 31. So, ibabalik mo muna yung cash and ibabalik mo muna yung accounts payable or yung utang. So, debit cash and credit accounts payable. Stale check. These are checks which are at least 180 days old or 6 months. Stale checks are not honored by the bank. Example, XYZ gave a check to ABC Company on May 25, 20XA. The date of check is May 30, 20XA. The check was misplaced and was only found on December 31, thus the check was still not cashed as of this date. Given this, can ABC still record the check as cash on December 31, 20XA? No. Kasi yung age ng check is past 6 months na. From May 30 to December 31 is 7 months. So, need na XYZ i-contact sa ABC to issue another check. Kung nag-record sa ABC ng cash noong May 25 pag-receive ng cheque, tapos kinredit yung accounts receivable or kung anumang account, need i-reverse on December 31. On December 31, debit AR para ibalik yung receivable account, then credit cash kasi hindi mo pa naman talaga nare-receive pa yung funds or yung cash. Undelivered check. One that is merely drawn and recorded but not given or delivered to the payee before the end of reporting. For example, nagsulat ng check sa ABC payable to XYZ. Date of check is December 25, 20XA. The ABC employee who was in charge of delivering the check to XYZ, one of its suppliers, was not in her best self due to heartbreak. Where do broken hearts go? As a result, she forgot to deliver the check. As of December 31, the check is still with ABC. Given this, can ABC still record the check as cash on December 31, 20XA? Yes, dahil nga hindi pa delivered, so there's no way for XYZ to cash the check, di ba? Again, just in case lang binawasan yung cash recording noong December 31, need i-reverse yung entry na ginawa, just like this. Dito naman tayo sa compensating balance. Ano ba ang compensating balance? Compensating balance is the minimum checking or demand deposit account balance that must be maintained in connection with the borrowing arrangement with the bank. So, ibig sabihin, compensating balance, minimum na dapat itira ng company with the bank in relation with the borrowing arrangement. So, current or non-current ba to? Is it part of cash? Pag not legally restricted as to withdrawal, part siya ng cash, so current asset. If legally restricted naman, dalawa yan. Pag related sa short-term loan, separately recorded as cash held as compensating balance, yung compensating balance. Pero current asset pa din. Pag related naman sa long-term loan, siya ay classified as non-current investment. Pero what if? What if silent? Not restricted siya, so mag-fall under ng cash. The end. Thank you.